host, the best way to visualize your success, it's really simple actually. I don't care if you have an imagination or not, bring it into reality. All you have to do is imagine where you want to be, and what you need to do, pretend you're a Turo guest. Log into Turo, start looking at Turos in your area, and look at the reviews, look at the cars they have, look at the daily rates they charge, and calculate that. And that's how you make the big small, and you make this into a reality, and you start figuring out, oh, this tour host in my area is doing this, or this one's doing this too. And you can even like look at how they're doing it, how they're marketing their pictures, the way they take it, and take notes. And that's how you make visualize and make it a reality. Because maybe you're new to a Turo platform, you're not sure what to do. Maybe you're a veteran like me. I'm a power host, maybe, but it doesn't matter. Look at other Turos on the platforms, absolutely free. You can look at their profile, look at the reviews, look how they took their pictures, learn a lot that way, and start visualizing and adding all that to yourself and to your listings, and now you just made it reality. That's how you do it. Quick tip, subscribe, share, Carl, and out. Peace.